Today we are breaking down the full teardown and screen replacement workflow for the Incell screen. We will go over the bench-level sequence for handling the side bezel connectors, internal frame separation, and proper subboard management. Ensure the phone is completely powered off. Disassemble the phone back cover. Remove the housing screws and detach the plastic side bees. Disconnect the flex cable interface, linking the side bezel to the phone. Disconnect the battery flex cable interface from the middle frame and remove the battery. Detach the subboard charging port board at the bottom of the phone. Strip off the damaged old screen assembly. Temporarily install the new screen assembly, subboard, and battery to test if the display functions normally. Turn off the phone after confirmation. Peel off the screen film and secure the flex cables properly. The blue film needs to be torn off. Prevent static electricity during installation. The film on the cable cannot be torn. Apply screen glue to the middle frame. Fit the new screen assembly and wipe away any excess glue. Reinstall the subboard, battery, and plastic side bezel into position. Finally, apply a bead of screen glue around the bezel. Snap the back cover back on, power on to test, and wipe the device clean. Let repair be easier.